this is, if I go over here, this is the component that this MR introduces. It is a UrlSync component. So what it does is it takes in a query, and anytime that query changes, so that query is an object, so anytime anything inside that object changes, it just sends them, it passes the query and sends it up to the URL, to the top bar in the URL, and then just creates a history push state as well, so that you can go forwards and backwards between the different ones. This MR only introduces a component. It doesn't actually introduce anything that uses it, but just for this video to kind of show an idea of how it would work, I've added it to the vulnerability filters. So you can see I've just included the UrlSync component down here and given it the URL filters as a query. So how that kind of works, I can close this now, we don't need it. We just say, okay, detected, confirmed, dismissed, whatever, and you can see up here in the URL we've got that state is detected, says confirmed, state is dismissed. So that means you can bookmark this URL and you'll get the filters. You should be able to, you can go forward and backwards as well through the different filter states. It's not actually updating the filters down here because I've not hooked up the bit that brings it from the URL back into the filters, but we don't need to worry about that just yet. So yeah, I mean that's basically what it does. Now you do have to, in this instance, I'm passing it URL filters, which is a computed property, just because the actual filters object has nested arrays and sets and all sorts of things, which don't play nice with URL parameters. But again, not part of this MR. You need to pass them sometimes before you pass them to this, but this will handle the URL syncing side of things, which is quite nice.